Hi everyone, we're going to go through step-by-step instructions on how to text to bid. So for the night of the gala, or if you decide to get on February 21st, this is how you will start that process of bidding for your auction items. So you want to go to your text messages, click on compose. You will want to put in 71760. For this demo purpose, I'm going to put in auction, but for that night, you'll want to put in MCC F. But today I'm going to use this and send it. It will give you that, and then you'll want to click on this. You'll want to put in your name, and if you haven't set up an account, a bidding account, you will be asked to set up an account at this step. So here is a demo of how the text-to-bid platform will look. You'll have your items. These are all demo. You'll have your live items. You can keep your bids. You can see which bids you won. You can shop, you can see all our sponsors. At the end of the night, you can see your bill. If you want to give to the paddle auction, you will go to the straight donate button. So that is a step-by-step guide, and if you bid on an item and you get outbid, it will let you know once that winning bid is not yours through your text message here with a direct link on that item to up your bid if you decide to.